Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now select one-handed mode and click on grey sweater next to it to activate it. Lastly, follow all of these instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, click on this gray area or simply swipe up. In order to disable this mode completely, select the same now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!